Here we go, Tig. I'm looking out for fridge freezers for you, mate. Just seen this one online. Nice white one. Looks like a drink dispenser in there. You haven't got to spend like silly money like Paul and myself. You can get good bargains, mate. Good, cheap bargains, mate. So I'm having a look for you. I'm going to send you some stuff I found, okay? Here we go, Tig. Found the perfect one, mate. A little bit of TLC provided. And you will get a beautiful looking fridge freezer. And when you finish cleaning the fridge freezer up, all the effort and work was paid off because it looked like this. Enjoy. Here we go, Tig. Another fridge of life for you. What should we do? We'll have the crushed ice today, mate, for you. Bit of water for you. In your case, it'd be the hose from the garden, but it'd be the same principle, mate, okay? Just like Paul's one, isn't it? Hardcore. Here we go.